So I'm standing here with my feet in the water and just taking a moment to reflect on why anyone would want to come on a retreat, really. And I think we all have individual lives, multiple layers of context, but what's I think brings us all at some points in our life to perhaps consider joining a retreat is a deep desire for serenity, for that pause that we might want to have in our lives, for being taken away from our everyday lives so that we can really rest, renew, rejuvenate and relax. Because you know what it's like, we all lead really busy lives, and when we're at home, yes, we might practice meditation and yoga, I do this every day, but we're still in our everyday life rhythm and movement and forward motion. Coming on a retreat is really the opportunity to press pause on all of the activity and to look after you. And don't we all need a little bit of looking after ourselves when most of our energy is constantly spent looking after everyone else?